Good morning, welcome to One Financial Markets Morning Commentary. I'm Andrew Johnston. Okay, so yesterday in the markets, there was little news out, but basically we had reversals in any move that we had from the previous day. And that's just lack of direction, probably, complete lack of direction in the market. We have Jackson Hole, it starts today, Draghi speaks on Friday and Yellen speaks on Friday, so everyone's really kind of like toning it down a little bit and not having as many positions in the market as they usually do. A very restrained sort of period. So we just got to play the ranges and keep it tight. I mean, just looking at this, you know, we get up to the 118 level and we think we're probably going to kick on, and there's just a lack of direction, a lack of momentum, and people take the trades off, and then we go back to this nice sideways trading here. Now, today we have very little. We have at 8 o'clock, we do have Draghi speaking, but I doubt it's going to say much when we sunbed. German manufacturing PMI at 8:30, and then this afternoon, new home sales in the US include inventories 3 and have 3 respectively. But yeah, yesterday not much can be said really. There wasn't much on the wires, but I mean, if you're day trading, there was, once you found the range, it was good. And the trade I'm looking at now more and more, as I said yesterday, is euro sterling, and we just look at this here. Lovely 15-minute chart of ups, downs, ups, downs, ups, downs, sideways, 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 sideways consolidation. Slight up moves, but there's always pullback. So this is nice, regulated, up a sell, up a sell. Just looking at that, it looks reasonably easy to trade. I mean, that is only 91.52, so that's about 23 ticks and change. And this is all the heat you got to take in it. So that's from 21st of August, 3 o'clock. We have been in this sideways consolidation pattern of around 24 pips. And you've probably been able to get in and out in all of those ranges. Just looking at it, you know, where the green, it goes to red, it pulls back. So if you're long, you can sell. You get long again, you can sell. So if you've been getting long every single time in this period, you've had a chance to get out and make some money. And this, when it's slightly quieter now. I did say that real money would come back to the market. I think it had, but now we'll wait, because of the Jackson Hole, we wait for more confirmation of what happens next, and just see if they, you know, if this financial conference, if we get any actually nitty gritty, we actually get some sort of confirmation about how the US is going to balance sheet normalisation and all that sort of nonsense. Draghi said he's already not going to say anything, so he's just turning up for the free wine. But in times like this, and we do have a pullback in consolidation, we have to look at charts or products or symbols rather that show us the best risk reward. And risk reward is, you know, how much you're willing to give up in order for how much you're willing to gain. Now, if I'm going to look at, if I've got a consolidation period in the market, whether it's a few hours, a few days, or a few weeks, I'm going to go and look at the chart or find a chart where it has the least volatility in it. So, out of all of them, I'm a big fan of Euro Sterling, and I've had nearly a 3-day, well, 2.5 day trading period, and the range has not been more than 25 pips. So, if I'm a day trader, that's the thing I want to be involved in. Other crosses like Euro might have 30-40 pip spikes. This is over a whole day, and I'm just looking at the period, and if I'm being analytical about it, I know that I should be getting long all the time, because long's been giving me a chance to, because it has been appreciating, has given me a chance to get out and back in. So trades like this, they look very attractive in terms of a consolidated period when consensus, or there's just a slight lack of momentum. So when you're doing your analysis on a daily basis, you should be looking, if we do have quiet periods or consolidated periods, or periods where there's not really much news out or we're waiting for news, try and just look on charts on smaller time frames and gauge what the feeling is there. And Euro Sterling is definitely one I've been looking at, and it definitely looks trades worthy at the moment. unfortunately today, like I said, there is Draghi, there is some German data, but really everyone is waiting for Jackson Hole, but and see what happens there. And if nothing happens there, then we come in Monday and we all it's all fresh. Nearly a new month, nearly September. Kids are nearly back at school, and then we get all traders back at their seats and all politicians back doing what they do best, which is nothing. And then we can crack on with the markets. So with me in the front lines, have a good trading day, and I'll speak to you tomorrow.